I'm gonna do Made in New York City factory footage, and this one's gonna make me a little sad. So here's some of the photos that we do from the factory every single week. This is the stencils that we have with some light shining through it. This is, we make stuff here. It's one of the older stencils. It's a smaller one. Here's the glue tester. Tested the glue board.
We did a bunch of these. Let's go a magnifying glass.
Here's the reels that we put all the electronics on, and then we feed it to the pick and place machine. This is from Samsung. That's who made the pick and place machine. We have 2 of them. These look like science fiction guns, but they're not. They have parts. And you put them in
These
here.
are there. Yeah, that's what they look like.
Yeah. And here's the sun setting on our equipment.
The facing parts, look at it, so happy. It's taking a little bit of a break, but we'll be back. We will pick and place again.
And like I said before, we'll put the word out that we can do manufacturing. We would just need to get permission if we're gonna, reopen just for that. But we're up for it. And Made in New York City factory footage. One thing that didn't stop? The construction across the street.
Yeah, they're still building this building.
What is going on? Everyone is like sheltering, and these guys are still building.
They're building cranes.
The Disney thing. Disney bought the lot across the street. They're just going to keep doing it, I guess. That's cool. I mean, I think that's... I guess that's all right. I mean, we don't need cranes for anything else. So.
I kind of like these sped up cranes, though, because they look like animals.
I mean, it's not possible for them to build a hospital. They got to build offices for Disney. So,
yeah.
I mean, I guess that's that. Yeah. I'm even going to miss this construction. That's what happens. I'm 3 days in. I'm like, you know what? I'm so sad. I'm not going to see our team members here. I'm going to miss the unending noise.
Hammering. Dunk, dunk. Because they're hammering the metal steel beams into the rock.